Hey everyone, so I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Bodega 24-inch 56 bottle wine fridge on Amazon. There are a couple different versions of a Bodega wine fridge. I think the other one fits like is advertising 50 or 52 bottles, I believe, but this one is advertising at 56 bottles. I have in total about 80 bottles of wine. I am cutting down my stash a little bit. So, and I was able to get 56 bottles in this wine fridge, and I am going to tell you how I was able to accomplish that. One thing is you have to pay very close attention to the graphics that they're advertising. I don't know who made that graphic, but visually it was so helpful because it breaks down the type of bottles and how many bottles you can fit in this machine by type of bottle. So when I went through my inventory, it really helped me to understand the difference in the bottle. So first I'm going to talk about that because that's an essential part of just understanding what you have. There are Bordeaux bottles. Now it will fit 9 Bordeaux bottles per shelf, that which would bring it up to 45 bottles. And then there's a larger space that I'm gonna show you guys. Then there are the larger Bordeaux bottles, right? The larger Bordeaux bottles, the more of these you have, the less amount of bottles that you would get into the refrigerator. So I noticed of the Bordeaux bottles that I have, these are some very large ones. So these are less likely to fit. So I'm prioritizing those in another space. This is a dual zone fridge for whites and rosés up top and reds at bottom, or you can just make it all one temperature and you're able to control it. The upper side over here, the lower side over here, and here is the light button that you can easily turn on and off. There is a lock button right here to where you can lock the temperatures. So let me just talk a little bit about this. This top part is pretty skinny, so I would recommend putting your skinnier bottles up top. So it's very sleek. I just took a bottle out and gave it away, but maybe this bottle will fit in here. I don't know. Let's see. It's a little... No, this is a fatter one. See, that's a wider bottle of rosé, so that's not a good idea, so I'm leaving that out. So some of my skinnier bottles of rosés, I have those up top. I did have another bottle just right there, but I literally just gave it away to a friend right now. And then, see here, I was very strategic about the bottles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bottles of wine. And I did this on each and every row. Pay attention to the bottom. The bottom is stackable, and you're able, if you pay close attention to the sizes of the bottles, you're able to fit 11 bottles down here. So in total, 45 on the racks, 11 down here, and that's how I got to 56 bottles. I hope this demonstration, was, you have to push it a little hard. That's my only thing with it, is I have to be mindful to close it all the way. But this is how I got 56 bottles in the 56 bottle 24-inch Bodega wine fridge that is available right now here on Amazon. And I hope this was helpful.
So this is pretty cool. It's got 2 different settings, one for the upper and one for the lower, so you can have different temperatures. The size is fantastic. You can get a lot of drinks in there. We got a few bottles of wine, and we actually just put some beer on top just to get it started. We've been using it for about a week, and it is really nice. Once we get our bar set up, then we really look forward to being able to use it. What I really dig are the keys right here. You can actually lock it up if that's important for you and keep people out of your good stuff. And as far as setup, really simple and easy. It's got a great look to it. It's nice and modern. And yeah, we look forward to getting our bar set up once that's ready to go. I think you'll enjoy it. 那么由于不决导致错过的机会，造成的损失可能会远大于短期的价格波动所带来的损失。So we invested $380 million in that. We valued that $4 billion before. Wow.
programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas